This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about perfume. Do you like wearing perfume?
Yes, I enjoy wearing perfume because it helps me feel more confident and adds a personal touch to my style. I think a pleasant scent can leave a lasting impression and can even uplift my mood throughout the day.
What kind of perfumes do you prefer?
I prefer fresh, subtle fragrances like floral or citrus scents. They're light and refreshing, which suits my everyday style. For special occasions, though, I might wear something a bit richer or spicier for a different feel.
Do people in your country often wear perfume?
Yes, a lot of people wear perfume here, especially when going out or to special events. It's common for people to have at least one favorite scent, and it's often considered part of personal grooming.
Do you think the type of perfume a person wears can say something about their personality?
Definitely. Perfume can reflect a person's tastes and preferences. For example, someone who wears strong, bold scents might have a more outgoing personality, while someone who prefers light, natural scents might be more understated.
Is perfume a popular gift in your culture?
Yes, perfume is a very popular gift, especially for birthdays and holidays. It's seen as a thoughtful gift, especially if you choose a scent the person likes. Many people appreciate perfume as it's something personal and luxurious.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a time you lost a valuable item. You should say what the item was, when and where you lost it, how you felt when you realized it was gone, and explain if you were able to find it or not.
One time, I lost a watch that was both valuable and deeply sentimental to me. It was a gift from my parents on my 18th birthday, and I'd worn it nearly every day since. The watch had a simple but elegant design with a silver face and leather strap, and it always reminded me of that milestone in my life. Losing it felt like losing a part of my personal history. The loss happened during a weekend trip to the beach with a few close friends. After a day spent relaxing in the sun, I realized my wrist felt strangely light. I looked down and noticed the watch was missing. I remember feeling a pang of panic as I checked my bag, the car, and even retraced my steps back to where we had been sitting on the beach, but the watch was nowhere to be found. Initially, I felt a mix of disappointment and guilt. It wasn't just the monetary value that mattered. It was the fact that my parents had given it to me for a special occasion. The watch symbolized their support and pride, and losing it felt careless. I kept hoping it would turn up and even asked around the beach, but unfortunately, I never found it. I left that day feeling pretty low. Looking back, losing the watch taught me to be more careful with items that hold sentimental value. It also made me realize that, while objects can carry memories, it's the experiences and relationships that truly matter. The loss was upsetting, but it reminded me to cherish the people in my life and the memories we make together.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of losing things. Is it important for people to be organized?
Yes, being organized is very important because it helps people manage their time and belongings effectively. When we keep things in order, we can easily find what we need, reduce stress, and focus on our tasks. Organization also allows people to plan ahead, which can improve productivity and overall quality of life.
What are some common items that people tend to lose easily?
People often lose smaller items that are used regularly, like keys, phones, wallets, or even glasses. These items are easy to misplace because they're carried around frequently and often put down without much thought. Small, daily essentials tend to get lost if we're not careful or don't have a specific place for them.
What are the reasons why people often misplace or lose things?
People often lose things due to a lack of attention or when they're in a hurry. Stress or multitasking can also lead to items being placed in unusual spots and then forgotten. Sometimes people are simply distracted or have too many things on their minds, which can make it hard to remember where they put something.
How can technology help in preventing the loss of valuable items?
Technology can be very useful in preventing loss. Devices like Bluetooth trackers can be attached to items like keys or wallets and linked to a mobile app to help locate them quickly. Many phones also have Find My Phone features, which allow people to track their device if it's lost. Additionally, smart home assistants can remind users of where they've placed items, making it even easier to keep track of valuables.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.